Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another John Slow's Fitness Channel YouTube video. And today's a special video. Why is it a special video, you ask? Well, it is the release day of the PlayStation 5, and for us lads and girls out there as well, it is a generational thing. Every 6 to 10 years a new PlayStation comes out, and it's a massive thing for us. So pretty disappointed actually. I've been down to a shop in Old Hill to pre-order it, and I was told it was number 7 in the queue, so I'd be guaranteed it first day, and I'm yet to hear a confirmation message of it being there. So we're going to drive down there today, and hopefully it is in stock, fingers crossed. Also, alongside that, what we're going to do today is we're going to answer the question, and we're going to talk about how to lose weight over Christmas. So by the end of this video, you are going to know how to lose weight over Christmas, and it's a big problem area for a lot of people. Everyone loves Christmas, everyone loves indulging, everyone loves to have mince pies, Christmas parties, beers, alcohol, but how do you maintain that fun while still enabling yourself to lose weight? That's the big question, because a lot of people, they'll come into January, they'll have put a ton of weight on and they'll be ready to hit it for the new year, and they spend 4 to 8 weeks of the new year just getting back to where they were at the start of December. So we're going to talk today about that as well, and I want you to have left this video understanding how to lose weight over the Christmas period. And alongside that, you will have seen that I've had a massive Gymshark order come in. I went absolutely mad on the Black Friday sale. I've got literally a bit of everything. So I've got 3/4 zip-ups, crew necks, jumpers, hoodies. I've got the lot. I might set that for another video. We're going to go and collect the PS5 now down at Old Hill. And we're also going to answer how you can lose weight over Christmas. But first, let's go and collect the PlayStation 5. So, the PlayStation 5 is here. Känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life och en hos dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig aldrig. Jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life och en hos dig. Wow! Boom. So we got it, boys and girls. Against all the odds, we managed to cop ourselves a PlayStation 5 from Old Hill. It's a bit of an unfortunate story actually. When I got there at the store, there was a lot of people pressuring him, and he actually said he tried to, there was an attempted knife theft for the PlayStation 5s, which I just find incredible. I think it's ridiculous, but that was the reason he wasn't able to get in contact with anyone. So don't judge a book by its cover. But today, and the real reason that you're all here on this fitness channel, is to learn how to lose weight over Christmas, right? And I want to teach you guys a dieting mechanism that I quite frequently implement to many of my clients around the Christmas period, which teaches them how to lose weight around the Christmas period while still enabling them to enjoy themselves, go to Christmas parties, work parties, Christmas dinners, etc. So without further ado, how can we set up a dieting routine around the Christmas season to enable us to lose weight while still enjoy ourselves? Well, the first thing that my clients do is flexible dieting, so they count calories, right? Now, the important part is that you are proactive in your eating behavior before you go out to party. So let's say, for example, you've got a Christmas party on Saturday and you want to attend it, you want to have a couple of beers, you want to have a drink, you want to have something to eat, you want to actually go and enjoy yourself. What can you do in the week leading up to that party to enable you to enjoy yourself and still stay on track with your calorie counting or perhaps your dieting routine? So what I frequently do and advise my clientele is to undereat for 4 or 5 days before that particular event. So say, for example, Monday to Friday, they're on 1,800 calories. I'd say perhaps drop down to 1,400 calories, which gives you a 400 calorie balance on each day, and over 5 days that will give them an extra 2,000 calories. Now what that means is on Saturday, because you've undereaten Monday to Friday by 400 calories, you've now got 2,000 calories to add onto your Saturday's consumption if you want to stay on track. So now you've got 3,800 calories for that particular Saturday, and that's going to enable you to go out and enjoy yourself a little bit more, have a bit more freedom with food, and maybe even have a couple of drinks. Now what I do want to note here, and it's really important, is this isn't long-term sustainable. It's this concept of lending and borrowing calories that never gets paid back. It's a bit like taking out a credit card. A lot of people will take out credit cards, they'll splash the cash, go and buy Louis Vuitton bags, designer wear, etc., and they never pay that credit card back. And a lot of people do that. Sometimes they'll overeat on a day and they won't pay those calories back. So you need to make sure that this is a short-term dieting mechanism that you implement into your eating behaviour, and particularly over the Christmas period I think it works really well. It's something that I frequently do. Come around Christmas, I like to go out and have a few beers with my friends. I don't know about this year obviously because of fucking COVID, but ultimately I like to go out, have a couple of beers, have some food, and what I'll do is I'll undereat days leading up to that particular event, and then I'll just go and enjoy myself. It's better than you being there and not being able to have a drink or not being able to eat, because that feels shit, and I've been there. You go out and you're going out with all your friends and you can't even, oh, I've got to watch how much I drink because of my calories, or I've got to watch how much I eat. Instead of doing that, just be well behaved in the days leading up to that particular night out or meal or whatever you're doing, and that's going to be much easier for you to then go out and actually enjoy yourself rather than going out and being boring. So that's the dieting mechanism, guys. I hope that helps. It's something that I personally frequently do over the December period, especially when I know I've got stuff coming up that I need to attend. Everyone wants to go out on Christmas and enjoy themselves, and the best way to do that is to be proactive, is to plan that you know you've got a night out, and then just slightly undereat in the days leading up to that event to give yourself that extra calorie balance. Now please guys, if you are enjoying this fitness channel on YouTube, I am still teeny small. I need your help. I need your help to build this channel. I need your support. Every single subscribe button that is clicked massively boosts this channel's potential for growth. Listen, I want to just be here banging out videos 4 or 5 times a week, but I need to see that return on my invested energy, and I want you guys to help me and be alongside me in that journey. I want to keep giving you guys tips, and I'm planning to do 2 to 3 videos per week, so I need your guys' support in building this channel. If you are liking it, please do hit the subscribe button below. It massively helps, and please hit the like button as well. And the next video that I've got coming out in the next couple of days is a Gymshark haul. I've gone and spent £200 on Gymshark, so I'm going to show you guys everything and how they fit and how they feel, etc. That's coming in the next couple of days. I'll speak to you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.